Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and you guessed it, it's new release time. So today I'm going to be showing you the June 2024 release from A Colorful Light Designs. So just going to pull out the package here with the goodies and show you what we have. Very excited. Okay, when you shop, it will likely come in a manila folder and a cute little pink bubble mailer with these adorable stickers. And you'll get a little free sample of Blingage, which I love. But I'm going to show you what you get here. Now, it's definitely kind of an ocean summery theme for a lot of these. There are some that aren't, but primarily that sort of theme. So I'm just going to jump right in with the 6x6 flipping dolphins. So cute. Love this. I'm going to show you all the stencils first, and then I will show you the new bling for the month. It's gorgeous. Swirling droplets. So again, this could be, you know, aquatic themed or just general usage. Very cool. Okay, we have, what is this? Orderly waves. So this is really cool. This is almost like geometric. You could totally make this water-ish or kind of just use it as a cool background. Doesn't necessarily have to be waves. It's kind of a cool geo design. This one is dotted waves. Again, kind of abstract. It looks like waves, but it also could be other things. Things like this I feel like are great for mixed media because you could just kind of use parts of it on top of other layers and get all different looks. Frothy waves. So what I love to do with these is create kind of a cool, you know, ink blended background and then maybe put like a critter on it. So I have a lot of aquatic sort of stamps or sea creature sort of stamps because my daughter was obsessed with sharks. I mean, she still loves them, but for years and years and years. So basically all sorts of sea creatures she was obsessed with. So I have a lot of stamps that I can use. Oh my gosh, this one I love. Fishy frame. How cool is that? So you could totally put a sentiment in this area. I love this composition. This is so cool. This might be one of my favorites here. Okay, got a few more of the 6x6. This is whales swimming. So you'll see this one comes in its own little envelope because it does have the included masking pieces, which I love. So what's so cool about this is you could, you know, use some pixie spray or temporary adhesive and then, you know, ink blend around it and leave that space white. Or if you were to, you know, ink blend this and then wanted to cover it up and then do a cool, you know, wave background or something like that, then you can mask it off perfectly. So I love that she includes the masking pieces when there is, you know, a big piece cut out because it just adds so much to the versatility of the design. Okay, this one, okay, not aquatic, super cool though, circle cactus. I love this. So again, this is like a built-in focal point, just like this other round one. I love anything that's kind of this round shape because I feel like it just automatically draws the eye in to a natural focal point. So circle cactus, very cool. Can't you picture this like a sunset, beautiful colors or something in this open space? Just gorgeous. Very cool. Okay, this one, oh my gosh, plenty of fish. I love this one. Look at this one little random striped fish. I already have ideas for this. I'm so stoked about this one. I love it. I think it is so cool. Just the one random fish that's different than all the rest. I think that is really cool. Okay, we also have, ooh, okay, agave. So another sort of desert-ish sort of thing. Very cool. So I should grab a card base here so you can see the size on these. So this, you can see this is an A2 size card front. It could go horizontally and it would kind of cover the whole front. I'm going to show you also on this so you can see it fits both ways on an A2 size. So US A2 4¼ by 5½. And then this one will kind of go, you know, off of it unless you turn it this way and then it'll kind of fit this direction. So very cool. It'll cover the whole sort of card front in that case. Set these off to the side. Okay, now I have a couple which kind of go together. Sunshade and, raindrops. Oh, I guess sunshade. I thought of this like an umbrella, but yeah, I guess it's more like beachy sort of umbrella. But you could totally use these together, like a rain umbrella and these little cute raindrops. So raindrops and sunshade. Those are 3 by 6. So again, to give you some perspective on the size, you can kind of do this and then cute little raindrops over it, sort of thing. Very fun. Okay, and then, oh, this is cool. Layered seaweed. So these you kind of, ink blend and then move the stencil over it. And then you can get 3 different colors in this cool seaweed look. Very, very cool. Okay. Oh, koi. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at this detail. I'm so excited about this one. Let me give you some perspective here. So gorgeous with the orange and white. Like, I could just picture this being so abstract and cool. This is a 6 by 9, so that's koi. Make a splash. So these are fun, different little components. You can use them separately or together, or maybe you have, like a critter jumping into the water, and then you can ink blend some splash or just little drips. Very cool. This I could see doing like a really cool ink blending with like a white highlight and making it look almost like a real drop of water. Cool things you could do there. This one, so cool. Fancy seahorses. So you could easily kind of, mask off one and have that as your, focal point, or you could do many as like a subtle background. That is so cute. I love that one. And the final 6 by 9 is some waves. So again, you can use them, I think they probably layer together, where you would just kind of work in different colors into the design. Okay, so that was all of the stencils for the June release, and now I'm going to show you the Blingage. So let me jump right into these. Now, what Mary Kay at the shop has been doing the last few months, which I love, is for the very first week only. So in this case, June 1st to June 7th, 2024, you can get all 12 of these new card bling colors bundled together at 20% off. Plus, you can use my coupon AmyFan10 for an even bigger discount on top of it. But that is only through June 1st through June 7th. So if you love these bling and you want all the colors, then be sure to jump on that bundle in the first week. Now, they'll still be available individually in the shop or as a bundle, but they won't be 20% off at that point. You can still use my coupon in the future. But again, that special bundle price is only for that first week. So if you have full set syndrome and you need all the colors, then be sure to jump on it in the first 7 days. There will also be a master creator bundle of all the stencils, in which case you can get all the stencils from the release, not including the mid-month release, but you can get all the June stencils that I just showed you for 20% off, but that you can't use my coupon, AmyFan10. I will link that below. If you do want all the stencils and you want the full bundle, please do follow my link, because that's the only way the owner will know that I sent the sale to her, and the only way I'll get credit for it. So be sure to follow that link. It'll be no additional cost to you. Okay, I'm just going to try and kind of sort these out. So gorgeous. I'm going to show you all the individual colors here. These are so pretty. There's one of them in particular that I'm super, super, super excited about, and you might be able to guess. Okay, so to start, we have Crystal Metallic Royal Blue. Gorgeous. Okay. And then we have Crystal Iris Skyline. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, Iridescent Orange. Beautiful. Oh, Crystal Opaque Red Hot. This is fun. It just looks like it's lit from within. I don't know if you can really see that, but the orange is just so bright, I think, from the side. And then I don't know, the iridescence on it just kind of, that's just really cool and unique. Okay, Crystal Iris Bubblegum. So again, it's kind of doing the same thing. It's kind of like lit from within with that color, but has that beautiful finish. Just kind of picking up other colors like the purples and the blues. Crystal Opaque Oceanside. So you can see same sort of thing, but this is a little bit more solid, whereas these are kind of like a little bit clear on the side. I don't know if you see what I mean, the difference. Very cool. Crystal Opaque Jade Isle. Oh my gosh. So all these blue ones obviously are going to go amazing with all the ocean sort of or water stencils. That is gorgeous. There's something different about this. I think it's that it's just picking up like a deeper blue. It's really unique looking. Oh, Crystal Opaque Poseidon. So this on my screen is looking a little bit different than it does in real life. I feel like it's a little bit softer in color. Like this feels like a very sort of deep blue, but it's actually, in person, it's a little bit more subtle. It's very pretty. Okay, Crystal Iris Fandango Pink. Look at these two together. Talk about all the Barbie hype lately. These would be perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, Crystal Metallic Wisteria. I love this one. This is so pretty. It's a gorgeous lavender, but it's picking up all those blues and pinks. Gorgeous. Okay, Crystal Iris Purple Potion. I know Al on my design team is going to lose her mind over this. This is going to be totally her jam. Okay, and then finally, this is the one I'm really excited about. Crystal Iris Aurora Borealis. Now, this one I'm going to take out so we can look at it because this is like a clear. So this is going to be gorgeous. This will be more neutral where you can use it with, you know, things maybe if you somehow don't have a perfect color match, which I find hard to believe now with the collection that Mary Kay has amassed. But anyway, you can see these are technically like a clear. You can see through them, but they have this iridescent finish. So they are gorgeous. I'm very excited about that. So it's a little bit different than anything else in the shop. And I could see me using this as just kind of a cool, you know, neutral. So these are the new ones. I'm going to integrate them into my existent, let me pop up here a little bit, my existent collection. What I've been doing, just so I can keep track, is I've been writing the month and the year on the back of them so that I know when they come out. Like, for example, this was May of 2024. And then that just helps me know, like, what collection they're from. Probably wouldn't make much difference to you, but it helps me when I'm creating. And I'm excited to integrate these back into this setup. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I will link everything below. Please do use my affiliate links. It's no additional cost to you. It does help the owner track the sale and give credit to the designers. So thank you so much. I appreciate you watching and spending time with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye.